Allen's Tree Service presents Gone in 60 Seconds. Are you ready? Start now. It all starts with Tree Rex, the transformer-like machine that takes tree pruning and removal into the 21st century. Tree Rex uses its long arm to first grab onto and hold a branch or trunk firmly in its claws. Then Tree Rex uses its built-in chainsaw to cut the branch. And finally, Tree Rex safely lowers the branch onto the ground to be chipped. Then, the real stars of the show, the Allen's Tree Service crew, get into the picture. Using a bucket truck, the remainder of the tree is cut into sections and dropped onto the ground. Then, the Allen's Tree Service crew lassos the large sections of the tree, which are cut and pulled to the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Gone in 60 seconds. Starring the Allen's Tree Service crew and the amazing Tree Rex. Allen's Tree Service, anything from pruning to complete removal. 636-332-5535 and on the web at allenstreeservice.com.